Hi, I'm Scott, CEO of Cognition.
And I'm Jeff, CEO of Windsurf.
Today, we're announcing that Cognition is acquiring Windsurf. We've been building the AI software engineer Devin, and Windsurf has pioneered the agentic IDE. And we're super excited about what's possible together.
For the Windsurf team and users, this is a perfect fit. Bringing remote agents to the IDE will unlock all sorts of workflows. Imagine planning tasks in Windsurf, launching a team of Devins, and reviewing PRs from the comfort of your IDE. The opportunities to 100x your experience are endless. And of course, we're friends with Anthropic again.
We built a lot of our features at Cognition, like DeepWiki and Ask Devin, to enhance the collaboration between humans and agents. Incorporating the first agentic IDE will help us take our vision even further.
Definitely. And believe it or not, out of all the teams in AI, the Cognition team was the one we respected the most. Working with the best engineering team in the space will be an incredible unlock for our product and our go-to-market team. But the biggest winners will be our users.
The new Cognition will move faster than ever. We want to redefine how humans and agents work together. And we can't wait to show you what we build.